Hi, my name is Sam Clark. I'm the owner of Win Win Only, where I give actual reviews, yes, real reviews and demos of the latest releases of digital marketing software. Just a week ago, Pixci was released into the marketplace, and Pixci is developed by Techniforce and Cyril Jeet, who is a professional software developer who has been around for over 10 years, building, managing, and updating great software apps at very affordable prices. So let's get into Pixci and what it is. Pixci AI is a cutting-edge graphics design and image editing software that leverages the capabilities of multiple AI models to help users create and modify images with ease. It is designed to cater to a wide range of needs, from generating logos and product photos to creating illustrations, posters, and advertisements. By integrating 15 of the world's best image AI models such as Stable Diffusion, XL, Leonardo, DALL 3, Pixci AI offers unparalleled versatility and precision in image creation. This is the back end of Pixci. The user interface is intuitive and accessible, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to navigate. The ready-made workflows, which are over here, are a standout feature, enabling quick and efficient image generation. The ability to customize settings and modify workflows offers full control over output, ensuring that the final product meets your exact specifications. So with Pixci, these are a few of the images that I've created so far. We're going to create a new one right now. It's very easy to do. I'm simply going to click on Create Image and choose my model. Try one that I haven't done yet. And then I'm going to jump into my prompts. I have a special program. We're going to paste that in there and choose how many images we want. This time it only gives us one. We can choose the size. I'm going to go ahead and do a standard size there. This will use 12 credits, and it's going to go ahead and do that. Now, when you join, I'll come back to that in a second, so I'm going to take a few seconds to do. When you're looking at the options out there, one of the most attractive aspects of Pixci AI is the lack of monthly fees during the special launch period. By investing in Pixci AI now, users can get access to its full suite of features without worrying about recurring costs, which is a big problem in the marketplace. This makes Pixci AI a cost-effective and valuable investment for anyone looking to enhance their image processes. Now let's go back inside, and we can see the image that's been generated here. Absolutely spectacular image. Really, really awesome. So if you're seeing this video and it is May 29th, you can still get in on this, because when you join, you're going to get 35,000 initial images. Let me get down to that. At the entry level, you will pay, now it's up to $38.20. You'll get 35,000 starting credits. Then, when you jump up to the next level, which I highly recommend, you're going to get additional workflows, more credits, stock bin access, custom workflows, 3 new AIs, unlimited daily images, AI prompt enhancer, extend images with AI, fill mask with AI, and 2 years of free upgrades. So that would give you 85,000 credits plus all of these. Definitely the way to go. So to recap, Pixci AI combines cutting-edge artificial intelligence with user-friendly tools to enhance your visual content. Whether you're a blogger, social media manager, or business owner, Pixci AI streamlines your creative process. And by picking it up now at the link below, you're going to save a ton of money, and you're going to get a ton of credits to get going. Highly recommend the upgraded OTO1 to add another 50,000 credits into your account, giving you a grand total of 85,000 imaging credits that will certainly carry you over for quite a while.